Ready? Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to say a few words on the motion of thanks for the Governor's address to the legislature. First of all, I wish to express my thanks to the people of Tamil Nadu in general for having elected the members of our party in large numbers and helped us to form the government. I would in particular thank the voters of my area for having elected me as a member of the Legislative Assembly. On this occasion, I feel that it is my duty on to bring the notice of the government that they are a proposal to take up the drinking water supply scheme in Nagaur at a cost of rupees 1 crore. During the visit of the Minister for Local Administration to the place, he mentioned that the scheme would be taken up with the financial help from the World Bank. But I am sorry to say that action has not been taken so far in the matter by the government officials in bringing up the scheme. The residents of the town as well as the pilgrims who visit the place in large numbers find it difficult to get sufficient water. I request the Honorable Minister to kindly take into consideration the above difficulties of our people and issue necessary orders to the authorities concerned to give priority to the scheme and complete it at an early date. The next point I want to refer is about the industrial development. Everyone is aware that there has been a steady progress in the matter of industrial development in our state. There is no doubt that increase in the production of electricity during last few years has contributed very much to the growth of industries in the state. However, I would request the government to encourage the establishment of a number of industrial units in the small scale sector in the rural areas. I am of the opinion that by doing this, the economy of the people in the villages can be improved to a large extent. In this connection, I may also suggest that while granting permission to start small scale industries, care should be taken to see that the permits are not given to those who are already running large scale industries, but on the other hand, These permits may be given to the educated persons who are unemployed. Thank you.